Good day, grade 9 students. Today, we are going to discuss our topic, which is about Project 5, RGB LED. In this lesson, you will learn how to create RGB LED project in TinkerCad. Our learning target for today is, I can create an RGB LED project that emits different colors in TinkerCad. Look at the short clip. What did we observe? Are the colors of lights changing? That's right! The Christmas lights continuously change its color at a specific time. Some Christmas lights today uses RGB LED to perform such action. Now, what's RGB LED? RGB LED is a single LED that has the ability to emit different colors by mixing the three basic colors, red, green, and blue. RGB LED products combine these three colors to produce over 16 million hues of light. Note that not all colors are possible. Some colors are outside the triangle formed by the RGB LED. Also, pigment colors such as brown or pink are difficult or impossible to achieve. You can also use RGB LED module in your Arduino project. RGB LED module is composed of a plug-in, full-color LED. The intensity of the three primary colors, namely red, green, and blue, can be adjusted by the PWM voltage input at pins R, G, and B, thus producing a variety of mixed colors. RGB LED module has 4 terminals. Each terminal is assigned for each color in the RGB. We have blue, green, red, and the last terminal could be an anode or cathode. Depends on the type of the RGB LED module. Now take note that the module has built-in trichromatic limiting resistors that can prevent burnout of the board. Again, you can generate different colors by adjusting the brightness of each of 3 LEDs of the RGB LED. Now to adjust the brightness of each LED, you use a PWM signal. As I mentioned earlier, there are 2 kinds of RGB LEDs, common cathode and common anode. You have to check the type of the RGB LED before using them in any project to avoid any errors. Take note also that the RGB without module requires resistor because it does not have the protection of the limiting resistors. Now, look at this project. This project emits different colors of the RGB LED. We can do this using the following code. Let's discuss the program code. In this program code, we have declared different variables with global scope. We declare the variable for the pin red, green, and blue LED. Next is the setup function. Each pin mode are set to output. Then, in the loop function, in which we'll change the color of the LED for each second. In order to get the red light on the LED, we will call the setColor function and set the value of 255 for the red value argument and 0 for the others. Respectively, we can get the 2 other basic colors, green and blue. Getting other colors, we need to mix the argument values. Last is the setColor function. This is a user-defined function in which takes 3 different arguments, red value, green value, and blue value. These arguments represent the brightness of the LEDs or the duty cycle of the PWM signal, which is created using the analog bright function. These values can vary from 0 to 255, which represents 100% duty cycle of the PWM signal or maximum LED brightness. Remember, You can play around with the value to achieve different colors, but make sure to stay in the range 0 to 255. You can also mix the colors red, green, and blue to varying degrees. For example, the value set to 210, 50, 10 can produce reddish color. Now, let's review analog write. Analog write is used to write an analog value or PWM wave to a pin. It can be used to light a LED at varying brightness or drive a motor at various speed. Here's the syntax code. Analog write, pin, value. The value is the duty cycle of PWM signals to R, G, B, corresponds to the color value of red, green, and blue. And it's between 0 means always off to 255 means always on. Now, it's time for you to do your project. Using your knowledge and variables in RGB LED, create a varying RGB LED project in TinkerCad. Save your project as act2_surname. That concludes our video for today. I hope you can now create an RGB LED project that emits different colors. Thanks for watching!